Gary George, Inland Valley News. You just talked about coming to LA. Talk about the transition from your respective teams that you were in before to come to the, not only a good nucleus of a team that is winning and has good chemistry. Talk about the lifestyle of coming to LA. What are your thoughts on transition into a big city like LA, Hollywood type city?
I'm an Ohio kid, so it's a big difference for me. And then from Charlotte, it's a really big difference. Like JJ said again, making habits. I think in Charlotte we didn't really have a good profile there. But LA, I'm happy all that's behind me. I'm looking for the future.
Jarrett?
I think the biggest thing might be that traffic. I mean, that's one thing for me, transition-wise. From San Diego, obviously Phoenix is not as big. But you know what? I think it's easy to fit in here just because it's a good organization. You have good teammates. Everyone's helping you out while you're here, and your common goal is basketball. The lifestyle. Who wouldn't like this lifestyle of all these, restaurants, things to do, and but obviously the main goal is basketball. So all that stuff comes second. But it should be easy. I'm hoping it's easy.
I don't know if you can really complain about the lifestyle here. I'm married, and my wife is obviously very excited to be moving to Los Angeles over a cold Midwestern city. I will say that I'm glad that I came to the Clippers and Los Angeles as a 29-year-old married man and not at 22.